next purchase I'm getting is a pistol though.
Yeah.
We'll switch.
So I can have a sidearm. Because this thing,
the only ones I have are so small.
It starts
yeah.
getting a little useless.
Like,
Go, 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 go! Come on. Watch your right, Johnny. MREs, Johnny. What do you into?
it's not actually.
And open it up. Yeah. Anything in there?
Nope.
Nothing. All right, keep going, keep going, keep going. Look on the ground, watch everything.
Turn back up and get that.
You two, come with me. Watch it going down, we'll cover you from here. Watch, go up there. See that big tree right there? Get up behind it. Let me know when he's down the hill. You good? All right, start following down. We got y'all. Start following him down and go. We got y'all covered from up here. Hey, Brown, I'm gonna go. When I get to the bottom, you come behind me. Spread out, spread out. Cross. We'll stay in the open. On your right. All right, all right. Guys, look everywhere, on the hill, on the down, everywhere for anything. Start pushing.
Check that one?
No, this is their spawn point. They won't have anything in it. Good. Just push. You're good. Yeah, it was me. I stepped on it. You're good. Push. Just remember, nice and easy. Make sure you check everywhere. You're good, Johnny. Make sure when y'all get to it, check the stairs.
Right there.
Yeah, you're good, you're good. I was gonna get up behind that bush once we get there. Come on, guys, come on. Push, push. Stay on his ass. Make sure you check the boats. Hey, he's gonna check the boats. Make sure you push past them to that big tree and cover him, okay? No, there's no flag post, just their spawn. Good. Find out the number on it. Yeah, flip it, and let me know the number. You. See that big tree up there on the thing where he's heading? Behind it, get there. All right, I'm gonna check up the, I got the canoes up top. Check under them, check everywhere. Is that clear? 3. CO, come in, CO. Check everywhere.
Secondary mag.
Nothing? Okay, you're good. When you get low, start coming down, you let us know ahead of time, okay? You're good, just let us know ahead of time so we can move somebody to your position. CO, come in, CO.
CO.
Alpha Squad has found flag 3 on riverbank midway behind the house.
10-4, hold that position. That's one that we need here very shortly.
Copy that. All right, what do you got? Come on. What you got? It's what? Oh, fuck yeah. Who do we got? 2 lightest people. Johnny. All right, we're holding this. Heads up, what is that?
Okay, we got spawn point down there.
I need you to run. Look, no. Money.
Where am I?
You and you are running back to the, no. You're gonna go up the same way to the CO, but you'll see the guy in the bright orange. That's who you have to take that to.
No, but he said he wanted to gather it and then battle at once.
All right, then go take it to him. We'll hold here. You want high ground? You got a longer bear than I do. Yeah, tuck up into that tree. See that big fat one? Get up under there. All right, you stay here. You got a pretty good line of sight here and up that hill, so make sure you watch it. That's our spawn. Our spawn. All right. See this big tree right here?
Yeah.
Go there. All right. Call them out as soon as you see them. If you don't say nothing. Me and you, hey, me and you are watching this direction so they don't come around the house, okay? Heads up, he's coming, he's coming. Heads up, one green rear. One green rear. Heads up, one green rear. Hey, get him to shoot this way. Hit! Really? He has no idea. What the hell are you doing? Where are they coming from? Okay, hey, come on. We'll take this side of the shed and shoot over.
Hey.
Or you want to go that way?
Before we took off, I'll take it. When you get up here behind this trailer.
Yeah. All right, just stay low. Yeah.
Alright, just FYI, I probably only have half mags on this one. I want you to right there.
All right. Get ready. Tell me what you see.
I'm at the marker.
You're at the marker. You wanna know what flag this is? Hey, what? Press down?
Trent's down over here.
Trent's down? Hey, dog pin, dog pin, dog pin! Woo, dog pin, two on dog pin. Can you get to that big tree right there? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Guys, we're getting complaints of Pan not calling your hits. Make sure you guys are calling your hits.
Roger, do you know where that's happening at? Did it give a land marker? All right, Johnny. See this tanker? As you run to it, I'm gonna go straight for him. Spawn's right down here. All right, go, Johnny, go, 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 go. Fucking chicken. It's okay, I got you, You're here. Watch that green, Johnny. Let me see. Shit. Oh no, tie it in a minute. Yeah, you're good, you're good.
Down! Holy shit! Down!
Oh shit. Alright. Alright. Woohoo! Shrink this down a little bit. Alright. What I wouldn't do for your smoke grenade right now. There you go. Make sure it don't fall out. Okay, he's Johnny, you want to run on him? You see this green fork bulldozer? See it?
I see it.
Hook her right.
Hold on.
Alright, you ready? You want to get him? I'll open fires. No, you're clear on the left, except directly on this house. I don't know. I can't see past the window in here. But I will open up on him if you want to swing right around that. Make sure you put your thing in that bucket down there.
10!
Okay, he's down. He's down.
10?
10, you're good.
Sorry, couldn't tell.
Oh shit. Okay, I got one more heal for you. Ah. All right. He's not supposed to talk to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, guys. You got to spread out. They're right here. By the way, I think they're confused on their spawn. Did Green walk down there, Trent?
They walked down, and I don't know if they were curved or not.
You're good. All right. Remember, Trent, if you go down again, you have to go to spawn and make sure you put that in that bucket. Down there. So, yeah.